not even that cold. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Moya. If you are new, if you are not new, thank you so much for returning. We are downtown San Antonio River Walk Center Mall, whatever. I don't know. We're just walking around, wasting some time because Darren's has this this competition going on, but we couldn't attend, and it's nearby. So we decided to come to the mall or walk around. We'll see what we get into. We have a movie theater in this mall, just so you guys know. And Dave & Buster's is in here. We haven't been to Dave & Buster's since Janine was it 8? Janine, we had her little birthday dinner. Oh, that's a long time. How old are you now?
She's 13.
She's 13, I know. Ooh, that's a pretty place. We're being tourists. There's a barber shop in here. Yep, America's team.
Oh, Daddy, look at all the jerseys.
And then, oh look, they have the H&M kids here. H&M kids.
That's one more.
And we got Hot Topic. We've never been to Land Shark Bar and Grill. Pink. Oh, your James Avery bracelet. We need to take it.
You should have brought it over.
No, because we have to leave it here. Remember?
It's fast.
One. Look, that's so cool. Have Alyssa do that. I'm just kidding. Janine's scared of heights. I know what her. I cannot. I would be so scared just hanging. Oh my gosh. She did the one at main event, babe. Okay, well, let's go downstairs. That way we can maybe go outside or something. And we are back here to Bigotville. This is cute. I don't know how long this has been here for. Where down? Where's down though? Go?
There's
Oh, look, they have a little baby one.
Oh, they have a little one for the kitties. Okay, well, we're gonna take the stairs to go down. She's all having fun. Get the party started. What is this? Oh, Fat Tuesday. We haven't been here either.
This used to be an ice cream place.
Yeah, I remember that was. And they had Starbucks here too. Wasn't this one Starbucks? I don't remember. So then here, down here, there's just a bunch of restaurants. And outside too, there's restaurants. And like a drugstore. What is this? Candies? Spice?
This one.
Oh, spice and tea. It's such a nice day, huh? Like to be out here. It's not even windy. Ooh, the sugar factory. Really, I don't know, but sugar seems fun. Look at that flying. That is so pretty. And you got Hooters, Margaritaville. I know, we really are. Hey, when was the last time we came? We're being tourists for real, because we have not seen a lot of this stuff. I came when my cousins came, but we didn't walk around like that. Basically, you walk, and you have all of that to walk. And then the boat ride would be through here. That's a boat ride. And it's a little warm now. I don't want my jacket. Okay, so this is what this is. It's Pedro Reyes Stargazers Italy Sitlali, whatever. So Pedro Reyes, volcanic stone and marble. So this was in 2022. That's why it's new to us.
Like, those drippers, bye.
The girls want to bring nail polish to paint the nail. Oh, I waved. Nobody said. Oh, she said hi to me. I'm saying hi to the people on the boat. Oh, San Antonio. So this is San Antonio. And there you have it. Comes another boat. We got more restaurants here. Little duckies there. Little patitos. We got cafe ole, fajitas and margaritas. Look, babe, this is probably gonna be your new one. They have fajitas and margaritas. And you got everybody eating, pretty birds, mariachi somewhere.
I think it was Zamaya. She's all like, I'm stealing him.
You got your frosty dog, frozen drinks. Easter Lounge. Mad Dogs, there it is. Going to the shops. There's more shop. Ice cream?
Yeah.
We used to bring you guys here. Do you guys remember? Yeah. They still have the little outdoor area. We could get him ice cream. Look, Alyssa's sitting down on an ice cream cone. Sit down. Say cheese.
Cookies and cream or cookie dough?
Oh my god, I'm sorry. You'll come one more time. Let's go. Let's go with it. Don't go. Let's go in bottom. She's scared. She's scared.
How do I take you over there?
Oh, the mirror maze. Look at yourself. And we were inside the mall. That's where we were in. Over there. But we're outside and we already kind of did like a whole circle, right? And then we have Pat O'Brien's. Oh, they didn't let me in here, huh? I was a little bit too drunk and they said, no ma'am, you need to go home. This was years ago.
Are you ready? Here we go. Yeah, they say that
Puro
chicken
Vegas
moves like
aquí.
a robot. Oh my God.
Yeah. Oh,
the more I move
oh.
like this, the more I feel like
Get
a
it.
robot. They
Get
also said the Tin Man didn't even have a heart, but guess what? Yeah, a heart, the whole entire time.
Hey.
And now that he has a heart, now you can shake his tin can and move around and put the sound.
I move around like this, don't hurt. Okay. Gifts, toys, and more. And then you got your Alamo. Alyssa did a project on the Alamo. If you guys remember that she was doing that.
church.
Yeah, if you guys remember the project she was working on, comment down below. Hey. We see a cute little squirrel. Mira que chulo. Alrighty guys, so our river walk experience has come to an end. We were out here for about an hour. We were just kind of speed walking. We didn't do much. We got ice cream, beer, walked around, showed you guys around, and Darren is ready for us to pick him up, so we are on our way. And let's see if he wants something. Okay, we are here. We're ready to pick up Darren. Darren was competing for cosmetology. It was like a competition about what they've learned. Questions about the whole program. And they are over here all rebelde. They're going to the concert. Y soy rebelde. Now, where's my child? They all look the same. Hey, go, hey. It was packed out here.
Really?
Puro rebelde everywhere. How'd it go?
We got both.
I knew it. Babe, I knew it. He was tricking us when he came out. He
I
got
wasn't doing
first
that
place. And they beat the seniors.
Good. It smells good.
Hey, you do smell good. Okay, so first place, and they actually beat the seniors. Darren's a junior, and he competed against the seniors in his school. So seniors got second. Sheesh. Fine. So this is the house I'm buying. Just kidding, but I like this house. Super pretty. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.